Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll walk you through how to register on JustMarkets in 2025 and start trading effortlessly. Whether you're new to trading or switching platforms, this guide will help you get started quickly. Let's jump in. Visit the JustMarkets website. Open your browser and go to JustMarkets' official website. Click on the Sign Up or Register button at the top right corner. 2. Fill in your registration details. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Sign Up. And 3. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from JustMarkets. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. 4. Complete your profile. Log into your new JustMarkets account. Provide your full name, date of birth, and phone number. Set your preferred account type, e.g. Standard, Raw Spread, or Pro. 5. Verify your identity. Go to the verification section in your profile. Upload a government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Submit a proof of address, utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement. Verification typically takes a few hours, but it may vary. 6. Fund your account and start trading. Once verified, go to Deposit and add funds using crypto, bank transfer, or e-wallets. Choose your trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or the JustMarkets app. You're now ready to start trading. That's all it takes to register on JustMarkets in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.